Hi, I'm Apurva. I'm the office managing principal for New Delhi office. It is our second largest office across the ZS with about over 2,000 members. And my primary role is to look at how we are strategically looking at building a global operating model, which is effective and driving cohesive team culture and strengthening client relationships by bringing innovative solutions. This experience with GS Price that I was a part of as a mentor has been very enriching. I think it's almost like a first of its kind in so many ways, right? I think the first I would say is just working with this passionate and knowledgeable founders, students, corporate teams, who have aspiration to change and bring change in the future of Indian healthcare, right? They know what they're doing, they know the market, they know the products really well. And it was very inspiring, if I can say, to hear about them in terms of their experiences, the roadblocks, how they continue with their passion, and what their future, plan is to take this ahead. So I think it is very enriching. I also feel that I'm very proud of the fact that despite all the challenges and the pandemic and all that we went through, as the world and of course as an organization as well, ZS was able to successfully roll out a program like this to recognize, celebrate, and then advance innovation in the country. So and of course I haven't been part of these a program like this where both the organization as well as the individual teams are so vested to ensure that they are continuously improving and innovating and bringing the best to advance health issues and solutions for the Indian healthcare industry. Entrepreneurship, I feel, is a very hard journey. One has to believe in the cause, in the product, in the team, and going through that for a continuously long amount of time, and sometimes having roadblocks that are very tough to overcome. So I think that is one aspect of my team that I really like, because the individual and the team has worked through some of this. The ability to listen to what the market is saying. The market might not be saying how we planned it. It might change. There is dynamism involved in that. So I think all of that makes it even harder. And the passion with which they take it ahead and continuously work towards it, I think was very, very important. They're also at a critical stage where the product's ready, they've proven effectiveness against traditional methods, against competitive products, and they're now wanting to take it to large markets, right? They've proven viability of the product, and now they're looking at how do I expand and how do I take it so that they can impact a much larger market. I think I also really like the fact that they had a very strong model and have shown competitive differentiation, which based out of research, clinical trials, preparedness, and then are looking at sustaining this at scale. So they've done really good work, and I wish them all the best to take it ahead. When we were thinking about creating a program like ZS Prize, just the thought and the idea and the cause at which we are working towards, I think was really good, right? It brought and was supposed to bring college students, NGOs, corporate teams, individuals, startups who were looking at tackling India's biggest health issue. ZS is deeply entrenched in healthcare, and we are the industry experts working globally and worldwide. And how we can contribute in some way in the country where 2/3 of our organization is. I think it's a very great program to look at. We're not very active in the Indian healthcare as a business, but to be able to influence, to be able to impact, and to be able to do something for the Indian healthcare industry in terms of advancing our healthcare solutions, I think is very powerful. Especially as we are going through the process, there'll be 8 teams will be mentored very closely for 6 to 8 weeks by experts at ZS, right? They'll have individual mentors, but they'll also be looking at a network of these mentors across the organization, where they can be reached out, how ZS's expertise in data and consulting across different healthcare solutions and have had over 30 years of experience can be then provided to these teams. I think it's a very novel, it's a very interesting program, right? And also, I think it'll just help us looking at bringing accessible, frugal healthcare solutions for millions of citizens in India, wide range of innovation aspects that will come across. And I think I'm really looking forward to knowing the teams and working with them even more closely in the coming period.